Do we attend meetings? Yes. Do you also attend lectures? Maybe yes. In either case, you have audio recording of the meeting or the lecture, and you have also taken notes. But do you know how to link them together? That's a great feature of OneNote, available for at least 20 years, but most people are not aware of it. So let's learn. In meeting, there are two types of notes. One is the kind of notes you take for yourself, but in case of meetings, there is another category, shared notes, which we take using Teams. This video is about taking notes for yourself during a meeting. Let's assume whether it's a lecture or a meeting, it's already in your calendar. I'm talking about Outlook, old Outlook on Windows PC. Right-click on the calendar and choose Send to OneNote. This will ask you which notebook and which section from OneNote you want to put the notes in. Choose one and then it adds a page. This page has all the details about the meeting, and now the meeting and the page are already linked. Now you want the audio recording. This is independent of Teams recording, Zoom recording. This is a recording which is going to go inside OneNote. You have a microphone, set the correct microphone, test it out once, and you are good to go. But if it is a meeting, then you want the conversation also to be heard. For that, one extra step is required. You have to go to Settings, Audio, Microphone, More Settings, and look for a microphone called Stereo Mix. By default, it will be disabled. Right-click on it, enable it. Now when you go to OneNote, go and select the microphone Stereo Mix. That way, whatever you are speaking and the meeting recording will be recorded. So now let's see how to insert a recording inside OneNote. Go to Insert menu, Transcribe, open the drop down and choose Record Audio. Now, till you say stop, it's going to record everything which the selected microphone is picking up. So remember to stop the recording when the meeting or lecture is over. Now just to simulate a real meeting, I'm going to take few notes. I'm just going to take one sentence. Now I'm going to talk about something else. There may be action items. There may be some things which you are not understood. You want to research further. You want to read a book about it. You want clarifications. All of those can be marked as tags in OneNote. If you're taking notes for a lecture, maybe the lecturer said, this is a likely question. So you can put another tag called likely question. All these tags can be searched later. So potentially before the exam, you can ask OneNote to go through all your notes and give you a list of likely questions. Isn't that great? So as the meeting or lecture progresses, you're going to continuously take notes. So here is an action item. I want to create a video about OneNote. I hope you know where action item should go, in the task folder or the to-do app. So you don't have to go copy paste to to-do app or task. Right click there itself. Look for this flag and decide when you are intending to do this job. So I'm going to say tomorrow. Now you get a flag around it, but it's not just a flag. It has actually gone to Outlook and added it there. Anyway, now we have finished taking notes. Let's assume the meeting is over. Now let's see what happens later. Now let's fast forward time. Let's say this is exam time, or a month later, there is a dispute about what was discussed in the meeting. Now at that point of time, you can come back to this page, right click on the calendar, meeting notes. It'll open the page for you. You have your notes, but they are very few. Sentences, that's it. The audio recording can be hours long. Now the problem is, yes, I know everything about that dispute, clarification, likely question is there somewhere in the audio, but where exactly? That is the problem. There is a play button. Of course, it'll play from beginning to end, fast forward, rewind, but that's painful, cumbersome, laborious. Obviously, there has to be a better way. I have written few notes and I have clarification or ambiguity about a particular item, particular sentence. So go there and you'll be surprised to see another play button there. In fact, everywhere we wrote something, there is a play button. And that's the beauty of OneNote. While you were taking notes, it was already linking them to the audio. So when you type enter and type something, it remembers the timestamp and it's put two and two together. So now let's say I want to talk about how to convert action items from notes. Go there. Before I click on the play button, look up. Currently the time marker is 00. But the moment I click on this play button, it finds in the audio where was this spoken. Before the meeting is over, there are some action points and so on. That's how you can utilize this linking of audio to notes to your advantage. If this was a recurring meeting and you just want to revisit your notes, do this. Before the exam, you want to look at likely questions, you have already tagged them, and then click on it, play button, and refresh your memory. Wouldn't that be a great way of preparing for any exam? If you found this useful, do subscribe, click on the bell icon, give me ideas for more videos, and most important, share it with your colleagues, your friends, even your lecturers and loved ones. So that's it for now. See you next time. Thank you.